It's called Alligator River, Pea Island National Wildlife Refuge. Yeah. I was out here last November and I didn't have the right lens to go ahead and get some nice shots of the Tundra Swan. But that's what I'm out here for. But I tell you what, the amount of species that are migrating out here, it's absolutely beautiful. So I decided to come out here and hike out here and around. I've been hiking for about 2 or 3 hours. No up and down mountains, but it's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, they call this the Alligator River and Pea Island National Wildlife Refuge. There's 2 reasons why they call it Alligator River. Now this right here is not Alligator River. Alligator River is right down a little bit out of the way, but it's the same refuge. They said that from a plane, you look down upon it and it looks like an alligator. It's the shape of an alligator. But there are pictures at the Wildlife Refuge of alligators in these waters. Like, are you kidding me? They belong in Florida, not here. We're in North Carolina. There's no alligators in here. But yep, there sure is. And let me tell you what, if I see an alligator, you betcha I'm gonna be in that truck heading the heck out of here. I may get a shot for you, but I'm gonna be out of here. Here I'm about 2 feet, 3 feet from a bank, and I keep looking. I can, hey, I'll hike with black bears in the area, no problem. Grizzly bears, moose, bison, I don't care. Alligators, I got a problem with. Anyway, so hopefully we won't run into any alligators. Rode down through North Carolina. Getting ready to go back to the mountains right now. Matter of fact, I'm getting in my truck now and going back up to the Appalachian Trail in the Shenandoah, do a hike. I'll be probably going near Hawksbill Summit. So I'll see you next time. Bye.